Good afternoon, my name is Vanessa Tapia and today I'm gonna talk about my city, that is Barranquilla, and the three most important places that Barranquilla has and their architecture. The first one is the bridge Pumarejo. Has been built again with the best infrastructures designed to both can move with any problems. Remember that the Barranquilla has the river Magdalena, so the principal port. So for that reason, the government decided to invest in a new bridge, guarantee innovations and quality. So that's permitted that the import come to Barranquilla and increase the economy. So another place is the Malecón. The Malecón de Barranquilla is a building near to the Magdalena River. This is another place in which the people can enjoy with their family, with their friends. Also, they can make a different activity, for example, run, walk to see the river, eat in the different restaurant that the Malecón has. It's one of the most important places because it has a measure about the 5.5 kilometers. So that means that it's big. So before that, the people in Barranquilla didn't have the opportunity to be near to the river. So for that reason, it's very important for Barranquilla this place and how it's designed and how it's to designed for the people, because as I told you, it's near to the river and you can see, you can do different activity in which you can enjoy with your friends and your family. And another and most important places, because all the people is meeting in this place for to enjoy it and celebrate all the champions our teams Colombia, that is the Metropolitano Stadium. Remember that is the House of Colombia. So that's is a big stadium, yeah, because it's designed for the people. The majority of the people comes to see different teams, for example Colombia. Here our teams, that is junior, yes, and the stadium was designed in May 11 in 1986, and is the one of the principal stadium in which Colombia teams play, of course, play here when is in the is the champions. So well, that's all for the places here in Barranquilla. So bye bye.